Hey, Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Today's cruising tip is timing is everything.
The best time to book a cruise? When it opens up or at the last minute.
That's right, and check out the best time of the year to cruise for your particular destination.
Want to cruise on the cheap? Check the best time for off-season destinations.
Time to save money to pay off that cruise. Plan out a weekly or monthly schedule.
Time to book that flight? Check when the airline schedule opens up.
Time to book that hotel. Don't wait. Rooms sell out quickly.
Time out when you're going to do your final banking and pay your bills before you leave.
And make time to call those credit card companies and notify them of your travel plans. It's very, very important.
Have an accessible cabin? Time to send in that special needs form at least 1 month before.
Make sure you have all your medications you need. Time to call in those refills.
Is it time to check on any excursions you might want to book? Check that website.
Is it time to book restaurant reservations? Check when your cruise line opens up.
Is it time to iron the clothes and get packing? Put it on your calendar.
Clocks, watches, and electronics. Time to change batteries and charge them up.
Need your mail stopped? Time to notify your local post office to hold your mail.
Time to plan out your haircuts. Manis, petties, all before you leave. Don't forget that color, too.
Time for your airline flight check-ins. Keep watch of 24 hours before you leave.
Who's watching your fur babies? Take the time to plan for a pet sitter or a kennel.
Plan what time you need to leave the house to catch your flight. Set that alarm.
Timing is everything. Know when it's your time to board that ship.
And take the time to relax and enjoy your vacation.
Take the time to record your adventures. Take lots of photos and lots of videos.
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Now, when you're taking those pictures, I want to remind you that we always encourage all of our viewers to send us a Super Cruiser picture. A Super Cruiser picture is a picture of you and, whoever you're traveling with. And you can simply send it to us with the first names of everyone and the name of the ship that you were traveling on to
cruisingwithwheels@gmail.com.
and we will feature you on a regular Thursday video. We want to thank you for joining us for this video today. And remember to not just watch our videos. Please, please, please click the share button, click the like button, and if you're not already a subscriber, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell to get regular notifications of when our videos go live. We're on other social media platforms as well.
We're everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
But until next time, I want to remind everybody in the sound of my voice to always travel safe
And cruise often.